Okay, so today I'm going to talk a little about intelligent node binary tree networks. A note on intellectual property. Right now, I'm not speaking in the capacity of any organization I might be a part of, and I believe the necessary and sufficient reason why I'm doing that is because I think that the real binary trees are never companies and never nonprofits or never any type of organization. They stem from an individual. In living systems, you always see binary tree networks stem from the smallest unit of a feeling node, which is a living cell. And and a larger collection of these living cells is itself a binary tree network, like an animal or a plant. So if we're going to have a intelligent node, like a human being, binary tree network, we need to respect the fact that it's built on individuals. And so what I'm doing is I'm excluding offices right now. It's a network of friends. And in computer science, you'll find many computer scientists are saying that friend networks are the only type, or possibly the only type of network that can be feasibly secured. For all kinds of reasons I'm not prepared to talk about right now. So deities, they networks are built on being and identity. being the number 0, which is the void, the intersection of the beings of all individual beings. It's being itself. The number 0 is being itself, or void itself with capital V. So, and 1 is the one thing that all identifiable things have in common. It is identity itself. It is individuality itself. And so this set of things, 0 and 1, is within all things. And all that is contained within 0 and 1. So this is the germ. If you sum these numbers, you get another 1. If you take the 0th power of 2, you get another 1. So the sequence is now 0, 1, 1. If you repeat that, either as summation or power of 2, you get 2. Then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, etc. Each node on the tree, the resulting tree. So what I've said is that each level of the tree has a certain number of nodes, but it's also true that the nodes are completely unique in their addressing, because it's a unique combination of right and left-hand turns to get from the germ and the first, the second one, or I'll call it the first one, with the first one inside the germ is at the 0th one. You have a neat combination of right, left, turn, and turns to get to any node out to infinity. So if we decide on a tree over some kind of love that friends have in common, then each friend will have a completely unique address on this tree, which they do not have to reveal to any to the tree in general, or to the world in general. The immediate family of that person of that friend will know what their address is. So it is quasi-anonymous. And this is then also a perfect template for computing and a kind of topology which should solve, I do believe, the sharding problem in computer science. So my point is that a tree is understandable, even though I've said it in a little bit mathematical way. If I were to draw this on a piece of paper, it's very easy for practically any human being to understand this. And then they'll have a unique address on a specific tree which has a name, like love of gardening. You could have a love of gardening tree, and each person will have an address on the tree, and they do not have to reveal their identity to the tree at large if they don't want to, but they'll have friends immediately around them on the tree. And it just becomes a way of organizing a whole bunch of people, which is impossible to censor, because it'll be a duty of each node to pass on information, keep their friends in the know, basically, and that's what friends do. So that's all I'm going to say about binary trees right now. I think it's great. Okay, bye.